Challah, Perek Daled, Mishnah Hey. Shnei Kabin, you had 2 does, each one a kav. Shenitlo chaloso shel zeh bifnei atzmai v'shel zeh bifnei atzmai. Following the previous Mishnah, what this person did is he took challah from one, when it was in the stage of just a kav, and he took challah from the other one, when it was also just a kav. But now, choza va'ason isa achas. Now he joins these 2 doughs and makes them into one dough. Now we learned previously in the last Mishnah that Rabbi Akiva said if you took challah from the dough when it was just in the shear of a kav, but subsequently you increased the shear of that dough, then you will say retrospectively that challah becomes now good challah, must go to the Kohen, and forbidden to be eaten by non-Kohanim. The same thing here, but in reverse. Seeing as, according to Rabbi Akiva, challah was taken previously, and now you've joined up these 2 doughs, the challah that was taken retrospectively now becomes the challah for the dough, and therefore the combined dough is potter. Rabbi Akiva poter. Rabbi Akiva says you're exempt from taking challah now because the challah that you took previously on each dough, which was a kav, now that you do have the full share because you've joined the 2 doughs, that challah that you took is challah, and therefore you're exempt now. The Chachomim machayvin. The Chachomim say no, also following the previous Mishnah. As when you took the challah, it was only a shear of a kav, that's not a challah. And therefore you are now chayiv when you combine the 2 doughs together. Now you are chayiv to take challah. Nimtzo concludes the Mishnah, Chumroi kulai. The stringency of Rabbi Akiva is also his leniency. He was strict. What does that mean? When we learnt in the previous Mishnah that if there was just a kav and challah was taken, that challah is in fact challah. When the dough will be increased in size, and therefore he's strict because that challah now is forbidden to be eaten by non-Kohanim, but it also turns out to be a leniency. In that case, now that you join 2 doughs together, where you've taken challah already, according to Rabbi Akiva, you will be exempt. He will be lenient. You do not have to take challah now because the challah that you took previously, retrospectively, now is challah. And therefore you are exempt, and he is makel and lenient and saying that you do not now have to take challah.